Hello there, welcome to muChiShona. In this video we are covering Shona numbers beyond 20. Kuverenga muChiShona kupfuura pa 20. In the previous video we said that Shona uses Arabic numeral system, the decimal system, and each number has a unique Shona name. We combine those names to make bigger numbers. So here's our 10 digits that we have covered so far, and we are going to go beyond that. Here is just a quick recap of what we covered in the first video. We said number 1 is called potsi or imwe, number 2 piri or mbiri, number 3 tatu or natu, number 4 is ina, 5 is shanu, 6 is called nanatu, 7 nomwe, 8 sere, 9 is fumbamwe, 10 is gumi. Now, counting in tens, 10 is gumi as we already know, but from 20 upwards, the gumi becomes makumi. That's the plural of gumi. So 20 becomes makumi maviri. That ma on maviri is also plural because it's 2 is more than 1. Okay, and then 30 is makumi matatu, 40 makumi mana, 50 is makumi mashanu, 60 makumi matanatu, 70 makumi manomwe, 80 makumi masere, 90 makumi mafumbamwe. So everything starts with makumi. For example, makumi mafumbamwe, it just means 9 tens. So that's the format of the numbering. Alright. Now counting from 21 to 99. What I've done here, instead of covering every number, I've decided to use every digit on the tens and the same thing on the units here, so that we just cover one number in the 20s and one number in the 30s, but the units are increasing. So the format is the same for all the other numbers. Number 21 becomes makumi maviri ne imwe. Ne is just an equivalent of and. So makumi maviri ne imwe, it means it's like saying 2 tens and 1, which is 21. That's how generally the numbers are structured. And 32 becomes makumi matatu ne mbiri. 43 is makumi mana ne natu. 54 is makumi mashanu ne ina. 65 is makumi matanatu ne shanu. 76 is makumi manomwe ne nanatu. 87 is makumi masere ne nomwe. 98 is makumi mafumbamwe ne sere. 99 is makumi mafumbamwe ne fumbamwe. 99. Beyond 100, yes, you know 10 is gumi, 100 is called zana. Zana. 1,000 is called chiuru. Chiuru. And then 1,000,000 is called chiuru che zviuru. Chiuru che zviuru. And 1,000,000,000, I'm not sure if the Shona people in the old times used to count that far. But now we do, even trillions and zillions. But a trillion is just a trillion. I'm not aware of any Shona equivalent. Now, as we covered, zana is 100. Now 200, it becomes mazana maviri. You see that ma coming up here again because it's more than 100 now. The plural is mazana. So 200 becomes mazana maviri. 1000, we said chiuru. When it's more than 1, for example 2000, it becomes zviuru zviviri. You see it follows that pattern of mazana maviri. Then zviuru also becomes zviviri. Alright, and then 2 million is zviuru zvezviuru zviviri. Zviuru zvezviuru means 1,000 of thousands, and then zviviri means 2. So that is how you say 2 million. Here is a brain teaser. How do you say 2,222,222? It's zviuru zvezviuru zviviri. That's 2 million. And you see there's a comma there where there's a decimal. And then mazana maviri ane makumi maviri nembiri ezviuru. Thousands. 222 thousands. And then there's a comma there. And then the last 222 is mazana maviri ane makumi maviri nembiri. The ane, ne, and e are just variations of and. So that's how you say 2,222,222. Zviuru zvezviuru zviviri, mazana maviri ane makumi maviri nembiri ezviuru. Mazana maviri ane makumi maviri nembiri. Alright, quite a long number. And here is our summary and quiz. I just put every digit on this number. 9,876,543,21. How do you say that in Shona? Okay, let's tackle it. Zviuru zvezviuru pfumbamwe. Mazana masere ane makumi manomwe nenhanhatu ezviuru. Mazana mashanu ane makumi mana nenhatu neanoraudzira. I will say that again. Zviuru zvezviuru pfumbamwe. That's 9 million. Mazana masere ane makumi manomwe nenhanhatu 876,000. Mazana mashanu ane makumi mana nenhatu 543.21 after the decimal is neanoraudzira. Neanoraudzira is not a specific number, but it just stands for a few extras or a little bit more. Thank you for watching. Tinotenda zvikuru. This is Taurai Shona. Let's speak Shona. See you in another video. Bye bye.